Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage Penguin petrol lighter advertising the GORDY tire company. A very nice emblem attached to the front. This lighter shows wear, scuffs, dings, scratches. Overall in pretty straight condition, pretty good. It is marked Penguin's High Quality Lighter, number 126, Japan. Has some plating loss there. And the lid is a little bit wiggly in the way that it holds closed. You can feel it there. With some of these lesser quality lighters, you'll feel that in the way that the insert fits sometimes. That wants to give a little bit as you squeeze. But sometimes as these cams are worked or get a little looser, then the lighter will function a little better. Let's go ahead and take a look at that while we have it out. The pad is a little dirty looking, but other than that it didn't. I think it was just some dust. The inside did not look too bad. Looked pretty clean. Just able to pull the wick up and cut it off. Flint tube is clear now. I can't remember whether it was when I received it or not. That is marked with that P symbol, and it looks like 37. I've talked about that symbol before. Now it looks like a P. Before, to me, it looked kind of like a Facebook symbol. I don't know if that really means anything or not, but at least we have it noted. So, typical insert for your flip top style petrol lighter. And as I said, the cam spring on it is just a little clunky. Just as the lighter itself, as you are fitting the insert in, is a little snug. So you can see what I'm saying with the lid there. It's not that it doesn't close, it's just that it doesn't necessarily hold snug closed. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media. however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. From a quick search on Google, I believe the GORDY Tire Company is in Atlanta, and I think still in business. It's a really cool emblem here. I believe enameled. You can see white and black, some sort of bronze or brass or copper color. It's a building, it looks like, with a sign on it for the GORDY Tire Company. I did not see that sign when I looked it up, and I tried to look it up, but I didn't see that. I couldn't find that building on Google. I have to look again. Maybe I didn't use the right terms. So I think the company's still in business. I don't know if it's a national company or more of a regionalized. But anyway, a very nice piece of Americana advertising from the mid-century, mid-20th century. It does show some scratches, damage to the finish of the emblem. I don't see any reason why someone would have attached an emblem like this to a lighter like this if it wasn't legitimately on there, but I couldn't make any promises either that came from Japan with that emblem on it either. But I can state that it is aesthetically appealing, and while it may not be the most intricate of details, it is still a pretty cool emblem and a pretty cool piece of advertising. If you haven't been over to eBay and checked out the dependableflame.com store recently, make sure you get over there and do that. While you're there, follow us so that you get the notification each time that we list a new item. Every purchase that you make will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% going to that charity, including 3 penny start auctions each month where 100% of the proceeds go to the charity. High bidder gets the lighter. I provide free shipping, and everybody is happy. So win-win, good quality lighters that are listed normally, and that's normally where they're pulled from, is my existing listings. Make sure you don't miss out on those. And also, make sure right here on the YouTube channel that you hit that bell so that you are notified each time we publish a new video. Don't leave it for chance that you're just going to run into it out there. Make sure that you get the first opportunity. You never know, the next video may be for that lighter that you've really been looking for, and you might want to get a hold of me about it before I even get a chance to list it. You might want to know exactly when I'm going to be listing it so you can be right there. Until next time.